In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your location using Maps apps safely. So there is actually a very simple way for us to get this done. What you're going to do is just tap this first. That is for you to see where you are currently located. So you are seeing this blue dot here. I want you to go ahead and click that. And from this point forward, you're just going to click the share location button right here. Now, this time, in order for you to safely share it, what you're going to do is just adjust your location or the duration how long you'd want to share your location. So in my case, it is 1 hour and that is the default. Now, say for example, you're going to be sharing this to a particular person 30 minutes away from you. What you're going to do is just minus this one in order for you to go at that approximate time. Now, make sure that you are not going to give them that exact like 30 minutes. Give them a little bit of a wiggle room in order for them to have more time to be at your location. So yeah, what you are going to do then is just share this. There are different options in order for you to do that. The first one is you can just copy the link and then click this one and then tap the share button. Yep, that's the first one. Another way is you can actually go ahead and stop this one. We're going to go back there. All right, and then you should be able to see here the different options. I want you to go ahead and check if you can see that particular option that is convenient for the both of you. And yep, that is how you are going to share your location using Maps apps safely.